Hello, in this video we are going to be learning how to use the ATEM software control with the 1ME constellation. So first off, this is what we've set up. This is the laptop we're controlling the software for the ATEM off of, and it's connect through data to the switch in the back right here. Important thing to note about this is that the switcher is set to a static IP address. There is no router in here. So we're gonna go into the computer and match mostly everything except for this last number, which has to be a different number. First, you're gonna open up System Settings and go to your Network Settings right here. These are all your adapters that were connected into your computer or are currently connected into your computer. Select the one you want. Go into Details, and then the TCP/IP, select that. Select it into Manual if it's not already, and this is where we're going to set our IP address to match the ATEM software except for the last number. And then don't forget to match that subnet mask as well, which is what I'm doing right now. And then press OK. Let's open up the ATEM software control. This is it right here. First, we're going to make sure it's connected, so go to the menu bar and go to Connection. This is where you can see the ATEM you're currently connected to, and you can select the manual IP address if it's not there and type in the IP address of the ATEM, and then press Connect. Now we're going to name our in and out, so go to the settings icon right here on the lower left hand corner, and then go to Sources. This is where you can see our inputs and outputs. Label all of your inputs with the in2, in1, in3, etc., and then the larger name afterwards. And then do the same for the outputs. Put out1, out2 for each of your outputs, and then press Save. If we go to the outputs up on our menu bar, you can see that each of our inputs and outputs are in order, going from 1 to 10, top from bottom, which is the reason why we do this. Next, we're going into button mapping. So go to the menu bar at the top and then select Preferences. It'll open up this menu. Select Mapping. Button 1 through 10 is your buttons, and all of your inputs that are assigned to them are next to them. To change from the default, go to button 1 and the drop-down menu next to it. Then select the input that you want to go to the corresponding button. Now we're going to move on to how to use Stream Deck and Companion with the ATEM software control. Open up Companion, then go to your menu bar at the top, select Companion, and then launch GUI. To add a new connections, go to Add Connection and type in ATEM Blackmagic Design. Select Add. And this is where you're going to type in your target IP address as well as what the make and model is of your ATEM. Next, to start configuring buttons, go to the Buttons tab and go to a clean slated page. Select the Preset tab and then the Blackmagic Design ATEM connection. This will open up a presets window that you can scroll through. In this one, we're going to grab presets, drag and drop the desired presets into your Stream Deck page. And we're going to do the same thing for our program. Go to the Blackmagic connection, select the program presets, and then drag and drop the desired ones onto your page. Next, we're going to do the transition buttons. Go to Transitions Presets and drag and drop the desired preset into your page. Here's an example of how it will look and respond while operating it. Lastly, this is how to set a source of an aux output. Go to Presets, select the desired aux, such as aux1, and drag and drop the desired output of your aux onto your page. And that is it for the ATEM software control training. I hope you learned something from this.